Hey guys, and welcome back.
And if you're new here, thanks for joining us today.
So today is a beach day.
Yep.
I was very excited about coming to the beach here since it's like Central Florida, but the East Coast. Mm-hmm. So which beach are we going to?
We're going to Cocoa Beach.
So I told Lou that I wanted a beach day. We're at the Suncoast RV Resort. It's 1,000 Trails Encore Resort.
Suncoast or Space Coast?
Did I say Suncoast? Space Coast. Sorry about that.
So I do location scouting. That's my job for the videos. You know, like the Hollywood people, they go out and they do location. All right. Anyways, yeah. So I did a little research, and you wanted to go to the beach.
The beach.
And so the nearest beach to us right now is Cocoa Beach. I wanted to go to Ron John Surf Shop.
Right.
In Cocoa Beach, which is the largest surf shop in the world. And it all correlates because it's all basically in the same area. So the plan is to go. While I was looking at that, I decided, well, what else can we do there? And I found the Cocoa Beach Pier. And so we're going to go to the pier, we're going to go to the beach, we're going to have a late lunch, and then we're going to go to Ron John's shop.
But the pier, that's what I want you to tell them about.
The pier, right. So the pier was constructed in the 1960s. I want to say 1967. So it's been there a long time. And back in the day when it was constructed, people could drive their car onto the pier.
That's so cool.
I would love to be able to do that. And it's been remodeled and reconstruction several times. The pier is 800 feet.
Out into the water.
Into the water,
yeah.
Into the Atlantic Ocean. Okay? Super stoked about that because I love going to piers.
Yeah.
It's like one of my things. I love going to a pier. But this pier has several restaurants, several bars, and several shops on it as well. And it's free to get in. It's not like
you don't charge you to go on the pier.
Right. And maybe you might say, well, all the piers are free. That's not our experience.
No.
At home, the pier that we usually go to, if you're a resident, you have to pay about $1 to get in. You know, really stoked about the pier. It's also like a great place. I read that it's a great place to watch rocket launches from there as well. So, never been to a pier that has so many things on it. So I'm super stoked about it. So we've got like a nice little day planned.
Yeah.
And we've got I found a local pizza place because we wanted to have pizza.
Mm-hmm.
I seem to find that pizza and beach work together for me. I wanted to go somewhere where I can't go if I'm not here.
Right, something.
And it's called Mangia and Bevi's Napolitano Pizza.
Mangia
and Bevi Napolitano Pizza.
Awesome.
So I'm excited about it. It seems like a really small place. It has really good reviews.
Good.
So can't be mad about that.
Right.
Right? So that's the day. That's what we're doing.
Awesome. So we... So you went with peanuts, and I went with coconut. Cheers.
Oh, good.
I like it. Hopefully you can hear me. The water is cold but feels good because it's super hot. There's a little bit of seaweed but not excessive.
And the currents are kind of, you know, testy, but a day at the beach is always wonderful.
Believe it or not, this is a real anchor, and it was actually found in the ocean 16 miles away from the Cocoa Beach Pier. She's making fun of me because it took me a couple of clips to do that. I kept saying the Cocoa Pier.
Pier.
Cocoa Pier.
That's somewhere else, but not here.
Thankfully, we had our e-bikes inside the truck. So now that we left the beach, well, we haven't left the beach, but we got off the sands. We busted out the e-bikes and we're gonna take that over to the Ron John Surf Shop,
Yep.
which is a couple of blocks down, and to the pizzeria.
Right.
So off we go on our bikes.
Big?
A little bit.
I have a little head. I gotta go to the swim in a second.
Want a bucket hat?
Yeah.
Let's see.
Big?
I think it's kind of cute though. It's a little big, but it's really cute.
Oh yeah. That's actually pretty good. For my head. That's actually pretty good. A bucket hat that actually fits.
She wants me to try one on.
I think this is perfect.
What do you guys think?
Statue of Liberty.
You think it's Statue of Liberty? I don't think so. I think it's like a mermaid princess.
I kind of thought it was Statue of Liberty, but you're probably right. Because why would the Statue of Liberty be in here?
In my head, we found these cups, which also come with lids. Well, not necessarily come with. You can buy it separate. And what's so cool is that it's silicone. So it's RV friendly, you guys. How cool is that? The cups are $14.99 and the lids are $6.99. And then if that wasn't cool enough, there's also little silicone shot glasses. These are $6.99. Super cool. Loving it. We're here. It is time to eat. We placed our orders and we're so excited. It smells so good.
It smells amazing.
Oh my god.
And that's coming from someone that doesn't really like pizza. I know. I'm not a big pizza eater. But it smells incredible.
Yeah, it smells really good in there. You said that this pizzeria is from like what style of Italy?
It's
So Napoleon.
Napolitan pizza. Basically from Naples. It's a Naples
Right.
style pizza.
All right. So we got an app, we got a pizza, and we're gonna have a dessert and our Diet Pepsis.
Yep.
So this is where we're at, and here is some breadcrumbs coated eggplant topped with mozzarella and tomato sauce, served with some bread.
It's basically an eggplant parmesan.
Yeah. Wait. Let me get an Instagram picture. I haven't tried it yet, but Lou says that it's really good, so. That sauce is very flavorful, and that eggplant is like melt in your mouth.
Yeah.
Really good. All right, and then here is our pizza. It has Italian ham, olives, artichokes, mozzarella, parmesan, mushrooms. I forgot what else, but heaven. It's just pure heaven.
Looks beautiful.
It does. Let's talk about this slice of heaven real quick. So first off, this crust, you see how thick it looks? It's really not. It's just pure air. It's so fluffy. This mozzarella, I would guess that it's homemade. It's so fresh. Same as the artichokes, super fresh. The olives are so tangy, like incredibly delicious. The ham is great. The mushrooms are big, like everything. The sauce and the basil, it just tastes so fresh. This is probably the best pizza I've had. You agree? Better than Antonio's in Amherst? Yes. Different, but I would still say better. All right, so to finish off, a tiramisu with 2 espressos. Espressos served. Look at that. By the way, that cream is so thick. Like, wow, just incredible.
I think I'm gonna cry.
It's so good. This place is highly recommended. If you guys come to the Space Coast RV Resort, you have to come here.
Yeah, they're fun too.
Yeah, the service has been awesome. We made it back to the truck and the sun's gone down. That's to Moon Street ahead. Look how beautiful it is. And the parking lot here at the pier, it's all red lights. They're so cool looking. It all illuminated that way. All right, let me go help Lou put the bikes back in the truck. So that's a wrap for today. We hope you enjoyed the day with us at the pier, the beach, Run John Surf Shop, and when we went out to eat.
Manja and Bevy.
It was so good. Highly recommend going there.
Yeah. Service was good. The food was excellent.
It was amazing. So if you enjoyed our day out today, please give us a big thumbs up and comment down below on some of your favorite things to do here in Cocoa Beach, or what you enjoyed about today.
If you haven't subscribed, please hit the subscribe button and help us grow this channel. Make sure you hit the notification bell so you can get notified every time you upload a video. And as always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.
Bye, guys.